watch me. Dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. Yeah, we got everything we need right here.
Hello there and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing my summer hair care routine. My hair care has changed a bit since my hair has been getting longer, so I wanted to share with you what I've been doing these few months. I'm starting on an old dry wash and go that I put up in a pineapple for a couple of days. Starting with my pre-wash care, I'm taking Jamaican black castor oil and massaging that into my scalp. Doing so helps to break up any sebum, dirt, or whatever else is on my scalp while also promoting blood flow. Then I'm going to take a spray bottle of water and I'm lightly misting my hair to help separate my hair easily. Next, I've been loving the Diva Curl Build-Up Buster, which helps to remove any product buildup from the scalp and strands. I part my hair and add the product in, massaging throughout my scalp. Time to wash. I first wash with the Tea Gel shampoo, then follow up with Damage Rehab from Shade Moisture. Cooling the scalp with Scalp Revival from Briogeo, and then a deep hydration mask from the Main Choice for about an hour. For style prep, I'm using this Keratin Reconstructurizer, Heat Protectant, Silk Infusion, and then my favorite Conair hair dryer on the low heat setting. Parting my hair down the middle, I'm going to work on one section at a time using the tension method before using my flat brush. I'm going to pineapple my hair for bed since it was late. It's been a couple of days and I've been wearing my hair in ponytails and buns and I'm ready to finish this style. I typically finish everything the same night, but I got a bit busy. So I'm going to add some sweet almond oil to my hair to keep the moisture, and I parted my hair in about 6 sections. To lock the style in place, I added a quarter size amount of mousse and worked that in from ends to root. Next, I'm flat twisting my hair all the way down and then adding a perm rod to add some curl and bounce to my ends. If you are new here, hello and welcome. My name is Janetta LaRose and I film all different types of videos, so definitely give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on more videos from me. keep my sections flat to my head, I'm adding a few bobby pins before wrapping in my headscarf. I'm going to take my olive oil Eco Styler gel and laying my edges down so they look nice and neat. This style will typically dry in about an hour, however, since it was late, I went to sleep on this and finished in the morning. With slightly oiled hands to prevent frizz, I'm taking down each flat twist and using a pick to remove any noticeable parts. To style, I'm grabbing some hair in the front and adding a bun, wrapping the hair around itself and securing with a bobby pin. And that's it. This is my summer hair care routine. This style was completed over a series of days, but can be finished in about an hour and a half. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you guys so much for watching. Definitely give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe if you haven't already. I'll see you in a couple of days in a new video. Bye!